YouTube, it's the Internet Income Ninja back again with another video. Today's video is going to be a bit different. Yes, we're still going to be talking about making money online, but I am going to take a step away from the typical videos I've been doing lately, and I'm going to share something with you that's super duper, super powerful for you, your business, your family, your family's business, your friend's business, everybody's business. Okay? Now, before going to the meat of the matter, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click that notification bell, like, comment, share, and I already said subscribe, so that you can get the best, juiciest information to help you start, grow, and scale your business today. Okay? Now, I've been sharing videos lately about doing a 9-to-5 job or a part-time job remotely and so forth. I'm always going to say those things are good. They're good. A better way to earn money is to build your own business, because money is in ownership. The person who owns the system, who owns the business, gets to keep the lion's share of the profit. And then online businesses, usually the overhead costs are way lower. So check the links in the description below to see how you can create your own digital platform, your own digital income earning, non-stop working, money generating machine. I kid you not, this works 24/7. You may have to learn a couple skills here and there. It's nothing hard. It's simple, but it just requires you to take action. Alright? So in the links below, in the description below are the links that you can check out these amazing offers that you can use to build your dream business, to build the life of your dreams. Okay? So today, I'm going to be talking about getting leads. Now, if you've been in the online space for some time, you would have heard about this guy whose name is Russell Brunson. He owns a company called ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is the leading software on the market for creating simple pages called funnels. Unlike a traditional website, a funnel is, as the name suggests, it filters people through specific pages to get them to a specific target. Your traditional website will have a menu with different options that people can browse through and so forth. A lot of times when people go to a web page, however, there's so many things that they look at, they get distracted, and then they leave. A funnel just takes people through a step-by-step process, a simple process that gets them to a specific point that you, the owner of the funnel or the owner of the business, wants them to go to. Now, Russell has been saying that the future is digital, and even in this day and age where people do still have brick and mortar stores, it's important to get leads. Now, what's a lead? A lead is simply information that you will have about a potential customer. Alright? A lead is their name, possibly their phone number or email, maybe even their physical address. And this lead is what leads you to a potential sale or a potential customer, or potential end goal that you're seeking. Not everybody wants the same thing. A potential sale, right? So even if you have a brick and mortar store, you still need leads, and you can still get sales online. Here's what I mean. Let's say you're an avid scented candle person. You're in lockdown. You have a ton of wax, candle wax, some scents, and you decide that you're going to start your own candle business or candle making business. You can actually create a funnel, offer a lead magnet. So for example, in this picture here, imagine this is you, okay, and this is your magnet, and you want to attract potential customers, which is these people right here. A lead magnet could be a freebie. It could be, since we're talking candles, it could be enter your name and email address and grab a coupon for 30% off your first purchase. If I see that, I would be more willing to enter my name and email address to get that 30% discount compared to me seeing enter your name and email address to get information. A 30% discount is more attractive to me than just me entering my information just to enter information. You get what I mean? So a magnet is something that attracts people, that wants to make them enter their information. And recently, Russell Brunson, he created this 5-day lead challenge. It's absolutely free. Okay, I'll leave a link in the description below, where he's saying what you need is leads. So physical products. So you have candles, you want to make candles to sell. You create a page giving people information, offering them a 30% discount on their first purchase. They enter their name and email address. Boom. What you will now do is you will use software. For example, my favorite is called Getresponse. Okay, Getresponse, in my opinion, is by far the most beginner friendly email system there is. So what you can do, you can create a list. Okay, so these are some of my lists. You can create a list. You just go here, create list. You can call your list Candle Biz for argument's sake. Okay, what you will do is you will offer that you will set up your page. When people enter their name and information and click submit, your contacts will land here. After your contacts land here, what you can do, well, not after your contacts land here, but what you will do eventually is create what's called an autoresponder. Okay, an autoresponder is a sequence of emails that go out automatically to the contacts in your list. Alright, so here's an autoresponder I created for a system or a program called the 12-minute affiliate program. Right, and this autoresponder was pretty much telling people, so here it is. Here's the title of the autoresponder, the day it lands. So day 0 is the first day. Alright, it goes to the list that I created called the 12-minute affiliate system, and it's set to run Monday 7 days of the week. So this is why I'm saying that this thing can run 24/7. Okay, so the message will look something like this. So that's the name and all that stuff. Da 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 da. Okay. Now Getresponse will say, hi so and so, we're excited you're here. Stay tuned for updates in the coming weeks from us at blah blah blah. This is for another company. Okay. And this autoresponder will go to their inbox. You could tell them mark it as safe so that when you send future emails, it doesn't end up in their spam. So you would tell them this info, you would say to them, go to your folders, look for our email, mark the email as safe, so that when we send you stuff, you will get them in your inbox, not in your spam or trash folder. Okay, so let's say you're making candles and so on, you're sending out emails to people. Excuse me, especially when a holiday comes up. You can do, let's say, what's the New Year's holiday? Let's say Easter. You could say, hey, thanks for your patronage, thanks for entering your information and for reading our emails over the past few days. Easter is coming up. We want you to treat yourself and your loved ones to something special. Here's a coupon for 50% off if you spend $50 or more at, let's say your company is called Candles R Us. Okay, they will now see this email. You would embed in the email a link to your store online. People will make their purchase, they get their 50% discount, and because they're getting 50% off, where they would normally spend $30, they'll probably spend $100 getting their 50% discount. So they'll pay $50. Or if they spend $200 on $200 worth of stuff, they'll only pay $100. A ton of people will buy. Your candles will be flying off the shelf. Now you're selling a physical product, but you're doing it online. And this is how you can make money online, from your hobbies, from your interests, from stuff you tinker with. You could literally sell clothes out of your closet, used or new, with an online store. I kid you not. And it all comes down to having leads. Okay? Like I said, there's a 5-day free lead challenge that Russell has created. So over 5 days, he will take you through a step-by-step process. He'll teach you what funnels are. He'll teach you how to create lead magnets. A lead magnet could be a free PDF, a free ebook, a free sample of something. It could be, if you own a gym, it could be a short video explaining how to change your diet to lose weight, or how to change your diet to gain muscle. Give something for free, something simple, to get their lead, to get their information, and from there you can reach out to people to get leads. Okay, so I could go through this step by step. I think Russell and his team did a great job. It's an awesome production. I'll leave the link in the description below. This applies to any business, whether online or physical, brick and mortar. Doesn't matter. You could be running a business out of your garage at this point in time and be making money online. Like I said, this lead challenge is for free. Okay, whether you're a marketer, whether you're a big tech company, everybody needs customers. Everybody needs to attract customers. People will say, if you build it, they will come. No, because if you build something that no one knows about, nobody will come. So you need to promote your product, give free things. You give to get. Once you have their lead, you can actually send offers to them. By the way, have you ever noticed that when you go to a store like Forever 21 or Nike, Adidas, they'll ask you for your email address? And have you ever noticed that you'll actually get text messages or emails from these companies whenever there's something happening? It's the same concept. Now, if the best of the best companies are doing something like this, and you want to be the best, don't you think you should be doing the same thing? I definitely think so too. So, the link for this free lead challenge is in the description below. Check it out. If you're thinking of starting your business, even if you're in lockdown, even if you think you have nothing to sell, there are people selling courses. There are people selling ideas. There are people who were fired from their jobs, and because of what they did, they maybe did a lot of presentations on certain topics. They still have their presentations. They turn these presentations into courses, and they sell these courses online. But they still need leads, they still need customers. And so this challenge, especially because it's free, especially since it's over 5 days, you can take your time to digest the information. Create your own online source of income. Get started today. This is a win-win situation. Again, it's free, and you can use this free information to make money. I'll also leave a link in the description to Getresponse, which I think is the most user-friendly autoresponder software out there. Autoresponders are softwares that send out emails to people automatically. Once their information is in your list, it will send emails to them. You just set the emails up, and it sends it out when you ask it to. Okay, and it runs 24/7. So guys, there's no excuse. There's no excuse. You can start making money for yourself, for creating the life of your dreams, for your family. You can start making money today at a very low startup cost. So if you like the information I'm sharing, or if you even rather work a 9-to-5 job, check out my previous videos. Check out the links below for Getresponse, for this free 5-day lead challenge, and some other offers to help you start and grow your business. There's even one that teaches you how to earn $1,000 plus per day on autopilot. These are proven ways, tested, tried, they work. So that's it from me today. Again, if you like the stuff I'm sharing, go ahead, subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share. This is the Internet Income Ninja. Thanks so much for tuning in. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.